When installing a rooftop terrace with ceramic slabs, the choice of underlying system makes a big difference. In this video, we compare two systems for Dreen Ceramica under identical conditions, the rail system and the A1 SmartPed system. Both options will be installed on the same roof surface, use the same slab dimensions and the installation team. The only difference, the system itself. The rail system consists of many components and many steps. It's a solid system, but the installation requires numerous actions. To resist wind uplift, some systems require the edge of the slab to be routed, and some fix the slab mechanically relying on screw fix mechanisms. With the A1 SmartPed system, installers first place the pedestals, they adjust the height, and that's easy, and then, after applying the adhesive, the ceramic slabs can be placed directly onto the supports. An added benefit is that they can be unlocked and lifted after installation for maintenance. When the two processes are viewed side by side, you can easily see the difference. The final result looks identical, a clean, perfectly finished ceramic terrace, with the A1 SmartPed offering an integrated wind uplift solution. But the amount of work varies greatly. With fewer components, fewer steps and less complexity, the A1 SmartPed system saves valuable installation time. On large projects, these time savings can be significant and directly impact the efficiency and cost of a project. The A1 SmartPed system offers quick installation, is cost-effective and has an integrated wind uplift solution. Please contact us for a demo or for a sample via our website or our product pages on MBS.